So I got something in the mail. Let's see what we got. Wait a minute now. We got something from Coach. I think that's my invoice. Yep. Nice. Now this is a Coach boutique item. This is not the outlet. Nothing wrong with the outlet. I do shop at the Coach outlet, but that's why you're seeing such a nice presentation, because this is a Coach, regular Coach online item. Pair of shoes I wanted. Had a nice little card. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. Give you some information there about Coach. Beautiful card. Now let's see. I'm trying to film and do this at the same time, so bear with me. Okay. These better be the right ones too that I ordered. And we got instructions, whatever. Get that out the way. Let's see. Is this them? Yes, buddy. That's it. That's it. Ooh-wee. Smell it. Smells good. Now, I don't know the exact name for these. Let me check my invoice so you can know. Meantime, take a look at that. Beautiful signature canvas. This is called the Citysole Stretch Runner Charcoal. Yes, buddy. Beautiful soles. Let's get that in focus. Yeah, buddy. That's nice. Buddy. Oh, whoa, you don't want to drop it. Oh, you don't want to drop it. No. That's nice. What is it again? The Citysole Stretch Runner. Beautiful, not expensive at all. I think it was $180 something. I think I got a 30% off deal. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Coached out all the way. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, see, done dropped the shoe. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. That's how I'm living. This is nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Look at that. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody. Appreciate it.